मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री क्लास 12th चैप्टर 3 का लेक्चर 3 देखने वाले हैं। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम 2 लेक्चर कंप्लीट कर चुके थे। द चैप्टर नेम इज किनशिप कास्ट एंड क्लासेस। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। An alternative social scenario sharing the wealth. The Tamil Sangam anthologies illustrate economic social relationships, suggesting that while there were a difference between rich and poor, those who controlled the resources were expected to share them. Explaining the social differences, social contact, the myth found in Sutta Pitaka suggests the institution of kinship was based on a human choice, with the taxes as a form of payment for the services rendered by the king. At the same time, it revealed the recognition of human agency in creating and institutionalizing economic and social relations. It also recognizes the fact that since human beings are responsible for creation of the system, they could also change it in the future. The king was elected by the whole people. Mahasamata historian and the Mahabharata. The element of the consideration for the historian while analyzing text are follows: language of the text, whether it was a ordinary people language or a language of a priest and elites; kind of text, whether it was a mantra or a story; author perspective in writing the text; the audience to whom it was written; the date of the composition or compilation of the text; the place of the composition. Historian and the Mahabharata. We have been considering the Sanskrit language, the Mahabharata. The Sanskrit used in the Mahabharata is simpler than that of the Vedas or of the Rashtrakutas, so it was probably better to be understood. But who wrote the text? The original story was composed by the courtier board known as the Sutas, who accompanied the Kshatriya warrior to the battlefield, and the compressed poem celebrating their victories and their accomplishments. Historian and the Mahabharata. These compositions were circulated orally by the 5th before Common Era. The Brahmanas began committing these to writing. It is also possible that the upheaval occurring in the social value being replaced by the new norm. This time were reflected Mahabharata. Another phase is 200 Common Era and 200 before Common Era, when the worship of Vishnu was growing and Krishna was being identified with the Vishnu. Being between 200 and 400 Common Era, didactic section resembling the Manu Smriti were added. Historian and the Mahabharata. These compositions were circulated orally by 5th before Common Era. Brahmas become committing this to the writing. It is also possible that the upheaval occurring in a social value being replaced by a new norm at this time were reflected in Mahabharata. Another phase is 200 Common Era and 200 before Common Era, when the worship of Vishnu was growing and Krishna was being identified with Vishnu. Between 200 and 400 Common Era, didactic section resembling the Manu Samriti were added. All these additions made the text, which started with less than 10,000 verses to 100,000 verses, means 1 lakh verses. This work is a traditional or tribute to says Veda Vyasa. The text present is classified into 2 sections: one that contains the story design as a narrative, other section containing the perception about the social norm known as a didactic. And this section includes stories and the narrative containing the social messages. Excavation of the Hastinapur, excavation of Hastinapur, Meerut, UP were conducted in 1951 to 52 by B.B. Lal of the Archaeological Survey of India. Houses of this period were built of mud brick as well as burnt bricks. Sockage jar and a brick drain were used to draining out of the refuse water. Terracotta ring wells have been used bath as well as drainage pits. Polyandry marriage in the Mahabharata. Draupadi's marriage with the Pandavas was as an example of polyandry marriage. The polyandry marriage in the Mahabharata suggests a different thing. What is a polyandry? The one who has more than one husband. It may be cause of the shortage of the woman due to the incent war or due to the situational crisis, and also that narrative sometimes does not reflect the social realities. Mahabharata is a dynamic text. Mahabharata was written in a variety of the language. Those people who wrote version of the epic added stories originated or circulated in their localities. The central story of the epic was often retold in a many ways. Episodes were depicted in a sculpture and a painting. They also provide themes for a wide range of the performing arts, plays, dance, and other kind of the narrations. Keyword is the kula. Sanskrit use the term kula to designate the families, a kin group of the people having a common lineage. Paternity. Paternity is referred to a tracing of lineage from the paternal side. Maternity is referred to the tracing of lineage from the maternal side. And metronymics, the system of driving names from a mother is known as a metronymics, and the Satvananda rural were identified through the metronymic. The Brihadarayanka Upanishad, one of the earliest Upanishad, contain a list of successive generation of the teacher and the student, many um, of whom were designated by the metronymics. And the Purusha Sutta of the Rig Veda mentioned about the division of the society in the four varnas. The four varnas were said to have emanated from the bodily of Purusha, the primeval, and the man. Brahmans from the mouth, Kshatriya from the arms, Vaishya from the thighs, and the Shudra from the feet. Varnik, a Sanskrit term used to designate the merchants in the Marichaha Katika, written by the Sudraka, who wrote Charudatta, was described as both Brahma and the merchant. With this slide, our this chapter is complete. Hope you like this video. Then please share the video so that everyone can know about this chapter series. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe, and share the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned with the channel. Thank you.